Today we're about to fix my blue truck. So the brake is out. I need to fix the window. The window is not working and the windshield is not working, so we gotta go and fix it. First of all, we gotta go drop the internet. We had this internet, they were charging me 70 bucks. This one is with T-Mobile. It works pretty fine for the truck, but I gotta return it. They're charging me way too much though, I ain't gonna lie. Okay guys, I'm at the shop right now. We getting the truck fixed. The brake look okay, but I don't know. So yeah, we're changing the tire, the brakes. Brake don't look bad, but it's messing up the brake drum. The drums are not too bad, but there's a noise coming out of it every time you apply the brake. Plus I have a coolant leak on top of the fuel tanks. It just seems like I just need to tie it up. I purchased the water pump from Fatliner, and they told me I can bring the car part, bring the car back, and then they'll give me my money. But they're talking about, oh no, we can't take it. They can't take it in this area. But that's not what they told me when I was buying it. They told me I could bring it at any Fatliner, but now they're tripping. They don't want to pick up the part. They don't want to get the part from me. Now I'm stuck with it. I gotta go all the way to California, I think. I'm not sure. I gotta go to California and bring it back.